Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today I have a small Temu haul filled with birthday gifts and Easter stuff. Let's get into it. So, first item we have here is a little stuffy. It's also a bag clip. But it's from Demon Slayer. This is my son's new favorite anime, so his favorite character is this one. So I got that for him for Easter. And then next, I didn't think this was going to come so big. I'm kind of glad it did though. This is for my other son's birthday, which is at the end of the month. He is going to adore this. This is a stuffy from Lanky Box. But it is huge, and it's almost like a squishmallow, which is really awesome. And then this is just something for me. It's a little beach cover-up. I'll show you the picture of what it looks like there. And then this is for my oldest son. You may have remembered I got a Predator figure from AliExpress a few videos back. This is to go in his Easter basket because the Predator figure was a big hit. And this is a tin sign. These tin signs I'm loving more and more and more. They're such good quality and they have pictures of literally almost everything. Next item we have here is for myself. And it is Frankenfurter and it's on a tin sign again. From the Rocky Horror Picture Show. Now this one I love so much. And it kept going in and out of stock. So I grabbed it up really quick. And the last thing I did get from Temu was a lion stuffy. It was a lioness stuffy. I had already given it to the person that it was meant for though. Because it was her birthday. But it looked like this. And it came very good quality. And it was about this big. And she loved it. And it was a big hit. And that was all from Temu. If you'd like to join up to Temu, make sure that you're clicking the link in the description box. That link can get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Next thing I have here is just one last thing, but this is actually from Dollarama. But this is also going to be for Easter. And it is a Fortnite book. But in this book, it shows you how to draw. Get to where I've seen that. And see, it has a beautiful artwork in it. But my sons are both obsessed with Fortnite. But I figured this book would be good for my older son. It gives you tips and tricks of where the best load points are and the lookout points, different guns and weapons that they use. This is the section that I actually bought it for though. My son is really getting into drawing. And this shows you each character in this season, how to draw them. Step by step. And I think he's going to really like that. So this book, and it only, I believe it cost $5 at Dollarama. I'll have to double check, but the price will be on the screen here. But that's pretty awesome. Fortnite find. And that's everything that we have for today. If you like my videos, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, even if it's just a happy face. Still like to hear from everybody. Make sure that you're hitting that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post another video. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you.